Meaning of hydrangea.
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 Hydrangea. Hydrangea is a flowering plant that belongs to the family Hydrangeaceae. It is native to Asia and the Americas and is well known for its showy and colorful flowers. The word hydrangea comes from the Greek words hydor, meaning water, and angos, meaning vessel. This name refers to the plant's need for moist soil and its cup-shaped flowers. In many cultures, hydrangeas are associated with gratitude, grace, and abundance. They are also used in traditional medicines to treat various ailments such as inflammation, pain, and urinary tract infections.